Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your remote window control in the newly redesigned 2022 Kia Forte. I have in front of me here a GT Limited DCT in Orange Delight. Let's get started. Okay, so to get us started, while the vehicle is off, you can use your smart fob to press and hold the unlock button for a few seconds, and you're going to notice that the driver's side window is just going to go down. You can, while it's started to move, take your finger off of the unlock button and it will stop the window like only part of the way if you need to. And it doesn't matter whether the vehicle was locked or unlocked, you can still make the window go down. Now let's head into the infotainment screen. I'll show you where you can turn that feature on and off. And now that we're inside, we're gonna head into the 10.25 inch infotainment screen, and we can either hit the setup button in the bottom right under the screen or swipe to the left and press it in the bottom right corner of the screen. We're going to head into vehicle. We're going to go into door. We'll scroll up in the middle and you'll see remote window control. So this is allowing you to enable or disable the remote window control function. So if you do not want to use it, or you don't want to accidentally put the window down by holding that unlock button down, you can turn it off altogether. And if you do want to use it, you just make sure it's check marked on. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button if you like this video, and please go ahead and subscribe and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.